This guide only applies to the wide format printers OSE ColorWave 600 and OSE TDS 450 and will accommodate page sizes up to A0, that's 840mm in width. Customized printing in Adobe Acrobat Pro 11 on Mac OS 10.9. Customized printing means that your work is not designed using the standard paper size dimensions such as A2, A1 or A0. You may have a piece of work that you've designed that's beyond these dimensions, for instance a square, a banner or a wallpaper. But before you print a custom size image, you must follow our checklist for successful wide format printing document. It's also important to note that for portrait orientation, the minimum width is 21 cm, 210 mm, and the maximum is 84.1 cm, 841 mm. For landscape, the minimum height is 21 cm, 210 mm, and the maximum width is 84.1 cm, 841 mm. If your work exceeds these orientation width or height dimensions, you must resize it, otherwise it will be rejected when you try to release it to print. Launch Adobe Acrobat Pro, located on the dock, and once Acrobat Pro has successfully launched, on the menu bar click on File, Open and Browse to open your work wherever it's stored. Make a note of your image size as this information is needed later. To do this, on the menu bar click on File and then on Properties. Make a note of the width and height measurements, as in this example, and these measurements have to be converted to millimeters in later stages. Then click on the OK button to close the dialog window. To print your work, click on the menu bar, click on File, then click on Print, and the dialog window here will display. Click on the 2-arrow button on the printer section and click the wide format printer queue that you wish to use, as in these examples. Then click on the Page Setup button and the dialog window here will be displayed. Click on the 2-arrow on the Format For section and select the printer queue that you've chosen in Step 2. Next click on the 2-arrow in the Paper Size section and it'll expand, listing all the available paper sizes. Then click Manage Custom Sizes, as in this window. A. You must click on the plus button and this will generate a page size called Untitled. B. Type in the width of your image in this box section that you noted in Step 1. Remember to convert it to millimeters. C. Type in the height of your image in this box section that you noted in Step 1, again remembering to convert it to millimeters. Once you've entered your correct image measurements, click on the OK button. This dialog window will be displayed, and you should now see that the paper size has changed to your newly created custom size. Click on the OK button, and this dialog window for the next step will be displayed. You'll now see that your image is correctly displayed in the Preview section. In the Page Sizing and Handling section, actual size is automatically selected. If not, select this size. Click on the Print button and your work will be generated and sent to the chosen wide format printer.